Hey guys, I'm Andy Hinojosa, Splashy Tube here, and I'm gonna show you how to hack or mod Clumsy Bird, the second generation of Flappy Bird. As you can see, my high score is 897851, and how many gems I have? 779999. And as you know that they added the save me button, so yeah, um, the gems do work. And as you can see, I lost a gem, but yeah. So you must be rooted to have this. uh so yeah, right off the back you must be rooted. Just search up root browser, browser, and it should be this one. So yeah, just install this. It's free in the Google Play Store. And then yeah, so click data, then again data. Now just scroll for it. It should be right there, like if you really look for it. You could just search it up, but yeah, it's com.seriouscorp.clumsybird, but I found it and it's right here, so click that. Click shred prefs, click setting.xml. Use whatever text editor you want. But yeah, I like RB text editor. So right here is where you see best score. Yeah, so value just in the little what are the little things called, the little, I forgot what they call it, but the little two lines. Just write your desired value right there. So, and as you can see right here in gems, you could add as many gems as you want. So remember, I had 799999, and I bought a gem, but I lost it. So replacing that gem. And if you don't want ads, just where it says is ad free, click value, erase false, and put true, and then you should be set. Click save. Make sure to click save and wait until it says saved as setting.xml. So it says save, so exit out. And if your Clumsy Bird was open, remember I had 7998. See right there, I had that. You might want to close it up if it didn't work and open it. And yeah, so now I added that gem. I erase back, and I have no ads, ad free. So true. And yeah, I'm Andy Hinojosa. Splashy Tube, I found this hack myself today, as of February 14th. And yeah, that's basically it. Please like, comment, subscribe. And again, this is for Android only, obviously, and I'll find one for iOS as soon as I get my iPhone back, like on the road, because it's kind of messed up right now. But yeah, so yeah, thank you for watching. And once again, I found this hack myself.